We are an irrigation company that usually updates or repairs systems to make them more efficient. Our specialty is lowering water usage. We've been in business for 2 years, but I grew up with a father that was an irrigator, and we've spent the last 30 years learning about irrigation. My number one goal is to first educate you. You have to look at the way that what you're watering, how you're applying that water, either through drip, through rotors, through sprays, and if you're watering the turf or if you're watering your shrubs, all those times on your controller are going to be different. During the evaluation process, we walk around your yard and I point out the different things that aren't efficient or not properly installed. We're not charging you by the hour, we're charging you by each individual item. So it's a set price structure. It's all online on my website, so you have the ability to see that our price in North Fort Worth is going to be the same as the price in South Lake. We are there as a hired company to educate you and give you the information as to what could be potential waste areas in your lawn. We are H2O RX Irrigation. If you find this video on Yelp, we'll give you a $25 discount. So give us a call, 817-893-5898. We are your prescription for a healthy lawn.